Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I just want to do a small unboxing with you. This is, before I turn it over, this is a gift that my husband got me for our wedding anniversary, and I just happened to leave this on our Amazon account and he got it for me. So this is the Moterm leather planner organizer. I don't know if that's the name, but let's see. That's what the sticker says. So this took about 4 days to get here. And at this moment, if you go on Amazon, they do still have some of the planners available. They, once they sell out, it takes about a month or so to restock, maybe a couple months for them to restock these planners again. So if you want to get one, they're still available as of today, which is, what day is today? August 27th. All right. So this is my first Moterm, and I purchased the A7 planner. Oh, in the pink. Oh my gosh. So it comes in this nice box. This is that sleeve that comes with it. Let me see which one I got because I can't remember. Oh, okay. So this is the A7 pocket size, and I'm gonna use it as a wallet. Oh, this is nice and smooth. Okay. It's tiny, you guys. Tiny, tiny. Let me see here. All right, so you can see how small the inserts are. This is like a daily, yeah, this is a daily. And I don't think this is the Versa. I think this is the regular one. I can't remember what the difference is. I think the Versa has something on this side. Anywho, this is the only pink they had. Oh, they had this one on the croc design, but I didn't want that one. I think that one's a little bit shinier than this one, so I wanted the pebble leather. It's a little bit off. I don't know why it's like this. And let me see. Okay, so that is, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is how much stuff you can put in these rings. And then the second, okay, so a lot is gonna fit in here. All right, so I don't have a lot of things for the pocket yet. I think I'm gonna have to do my own inserts. The leather is super soft, and I really like the color. I didn't think I was gonna use this insert. Maybe we can do it like this. No. All right, so let's add it to the planner. Here we go. And let me add the inserts. Okay, so I have a couple of vellum dashboards here. Look at how perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, so all of this is from Agleri Life Plans, and I'll leave you her link to her shop. This is a set of both cardstock and vellum, and I have this set also for my HP Classic. Then this was a mystery. This came in a oops bag. All of this ones right here. This vellum that I can add to here, and this one I purchased. I asked her to just make this pocket size just with this perfume, so I'll punch that. So let's set it up. Maybe we'll do a couple of sections here, maybe 2. There we go. Where's my punch? Okay, so I don't know how to work this. Let me see how this goes. Okay, so let me show you what I have here. I'm thinking that I'm gonna save this, and what I'm gonna do, you guys, it's I'm gonna do like a pocket, like a I have a laminating machine, so I'll laminate a couple sheets and make a pocket so I can add this. I also want something more rigid where I can, you know, write on too. And I don't want to punch those ones. So we're gonna save this 4 dashboards. Okay, we're gonna save this ones until I make a pocket for them. And let's see what we have here. This ones are punched already. So let me see if it works. Oh, they do. Okay, awesome. So let me add this one here. Oh, let me show you the actual planner here. It has a zipper on the left side for coins. And this is why I wanted this planner, because I'm gonna use it for my wallet. You can fit your credit cards here. Let me show you. And because this is leather, it's gonna expand, you know? It's gonna stretch. Okay, so the cards fit this way on this side. They don't fit horizontally, okay? Let's see here. And perfect. Oh, this is so nice. It's super soft and the cards fit perfectly here. All right, so this works fine. You also have a compartment here and here if you need to put papers or whatnot. But the best thing about this is that it has a like a money fold here where you can just keep your bills here and then your coins on this side. Awesome. All right, so this one I might just put here on the back. Maybe I'll flip it over. Let me see. I just don't want to cover. Let me see. Oh, maybe that would be better. Okay, yeah, we'll do it like that, just so when I add my change, it doesn't like wrinkle the paper. And that's why I want to create pockets for this ones to have some protection, you know. All right, so let's add this cute one. Oh no, this one. These rings are 30, I think they're 30 millimeter in width, and they are pretty big. So you're gonna be able to add a lot. Okay. Well, this one feels a little strange. Let me see. Oh, there you go. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a lifter, a page lifter. And you know what? I am gonna use this right here. I purchased the chopping mats from Dollar Tree, so I can make the lifters. And see, I have the pages here if I want to laminate it, but it's too thin. I think it's gonna be too thin. So we can do some dividers here and lifters. I feel like I'm gonna need it, yeah, to protect the pages. I don't know if I want to use this right here, you guys. Let me see. I think that if I make a cover for this, it's gonna be better than that thing. Okay, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. Now let me see what pen I'm gonna be able to use here. This is a full-size pen. Okay, so it fits. Oh, yes. It's fine. All right. I didn't think, okay, there's something happening here. Like when I try to fold this over, let's see. I feel like this strap right here is too big. It's way too big. I mean, you have to really add a lot of things to this. Okay, let me see. It's kind of odd. I feel like this is extremely big. Like it's missing another snap. Like you should have another snap, like to go farther. See? Like another snap right here. I mean, I'm really gonna have to add a lot of paper to make it fit properly. Oh, but I'm also thinking, oh, with the cards, you know what? Yeah, maybe that's fine because I'm gonna add my ID, credit cards. I'm gonna add my money here. So that should be okay, right? There's something not right. Let me add this right here. Let's see if this is gonna be better. I like the fact that you can actually carry a full-size pen. There you go. Okay. So I think the loop on the back, it's gonna have to stay flat like that. I'm gonna add a page lifter to protect the pages, and then use the loop from this card right here. Yeah, that feels better and looks better too. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't need to make it any bigger. That's way too big. All right. Okay, you guys, so this is my new planner wallet. It's from Moterm, and it's in the pink, what is this? I'm gonna leave you the information below. And like I said, they're available at Amazon at the moment. They do sell out, and you're gonna have to wait a couple months before they restock. But and then you have the change here. This is awesome. I really like this, and the color is beautiful. I'm glad I went with this one and not the croc. The croc, if I get that too, I might get it in the black. Oh, so cute, so cute. All right, I think once I create everything that I need to add to this planner, we'll set it up together, okay? But this vellum from a Glittery Life Plans is gonna work perfectly. This one's a little square. Let me see this one's. Yeah, I can add this too. I'll come back and set this up fully. I'll do a full setup with you once I start, once I figure out how I'm gonna put all this together, okay? I just wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.